Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So now picking up these rims for my CTS over here, because right now I'm running the factory rims. I painted them black, and I want to switch these out and put on these right here. These are the Camaro Z28 rims. And so today I'm going to be in preparation for the tires arriving and for me to get the mounted up. I'm going to pull out these the stems that's in here, and I'm going to be replacing them with the stems for my car with the tire pressure monitoring system attached to it. So that is the plan. Well, 3 of them are already out of there. This was the only one. So I ordered this tool. I think I paid 14 bucks for it on Amazon. And so you can use it to pull in the new stem and also to take out the old one. So as you can see, well, it actually got this one where you can pull out the little valve on the end to unscrew that. But on this end, we need, as you can see, it swivels side to side and it's threaded up in there. So what you do is you take it and you thread it down on there like so. And once it's on there, then you can use the leverage. You see these grooves up in here? You can use that, or you can put something on there if you're worried about messing up your rim. And you can apply pressure to help pull the old one out of there, like so. There we go. That's how you take the old one out. All right, now that we got the old one out, we want to start putting the new ones in. And when you take it out, it's recommended first to take the sensor off. You don't want to do it with the sensor on. And on here we have a star bit, so let me get my star bit and we'll remove that. All right, so I didn't have the right size star bit to remove the sensor off the stem. So I made a quick run to the hardware store, and it is going to be this TT10. So I'll remove that out of there. Oops, wrong way. All right, that loosened her up. Drop that off. So now we'll take this, what's remaining, we'll use the tool. We'll take this off too as well while we're here. And we'll use the tool to insert it. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to take the stem, feed it up from the bottom like that. All right. And then we're going to take the tool, screw it on. And then we will rotate it down like that, and we will pull up. I'll give you a view from the back end. We will rotate it, pull up until we seat it in there. See how now it's nice and seated in there? And that's how it looks from the top. At that point, we can screw this off. And now, we can put the sensor on. And don't worry about that. For you guys, you probably should put something on there to protect it. But these rims will be going to my powder coating guy to sandblast and then to powder coat. All right, so now we're ready to put the sensor on. So we have our screw and we have our sensor. Now if you notice in the sensor, hopefully you can see that there are 2 flat ends sides and 2 rounded sides. So you want to make sure to orientate this right here by just turning your stem to help rotate this in a direction where that you're able to put this on. So see how nice and flat. If it was rotated, say 90 degrees, I wouldn't be able to do that. So now we're going to take our screw and put it in there. It may not be the worst thing to put a little blue Loctite on there. Take our bit. And tighten it down on there. And that's it. So that's how you change the sensor on your tire using this stem pulling tool. The like button, and please hit the subscribe button as well so you can see all my other YouTube videos out there working on my Cadillac CTS. Thanks for joining.